Hello everyone, I am Miss Cohen. Welcome to our classroom website. On the welcome page you will find just a little bit of information about what is included in our website. So we have the monthly newsletters, homework assignments, projects, important dates, and much more that I will talk about. I'm super excited to get to know everyone this year. I included a little quote down here just to get you and your kids excited about coming in and learning. What we learn becomes a part of who we are. If you go to the About Me section, you will find a little bit of information on who I am, where I graduated from college, and where I got my master's degree. You can also read about what I like to do outside of teaching. I included a few pictures as well for you to get to know me. If you ever want to get in contact with me, just go to the Contact Information tab, and I have my name listed, my phone number, email. I even listed the school's website. So if you ever need to get in contact with me, feel free to send me a message. Under the Student Corner page, this is mostly for students, but parents, I recommend that you still look at it. You'll find the daily schedule, the assignments for homework and project, as well as the materials you need for the school year. So if we go up to daily schedule, here's our daily schedule. It's pretty much the same throughout the week, not much changes. The only thing that constantly changes would be the special schedule. So you see we have different specials on each day. If you go to the assignments section here, I list all the assignments that we have done in class. So if you ever miss a day of school, just pop on the website and you'll find the assignments. So for our math assignment, as you can see, I included a QR code. So just scan the QR code and it will bring you to the worksheet that we did in class. We are also going to read Shiloh, so make sure you're on top of the reading. I also list the chapters that need to be read. So if you ever miss a day of school, just don't forget to check the website. Here I list the class materials, so here I have them. So if you ever are forgetting something or you need something else, just check. I might change it from time to time depending on what our projects are, whatnot. So just keep on checking in on the class materials. Under the Parents Corner, parents, this is for you. We will find the monthly newsletters, important dates, and frequently asked questions. So if we go to the newsletter, you'll find the newsletter over here. So just click on the red PDF form and it'll bring you to my newsletter. So we have reminders, we have birthdays. I scanned the QR code, so scan that and you'll find information for the trunk or treat event. Each month we are going to have a spelling test, so I list the spelling words on our monthly newsletter, so don't forget to check on the monthly newsletter to get your words. If you ever need to contact the school, I listed the address and the phone number here. And then I also include a calendar for the month, so if you ever want to look ahead at the month, here is our calendar. Okay, and then for important dates, I list the important dates for just the month so you can get an idea of what's happening throughout the month. So for example, on September 11th, we have the PTA interest meeting, so I have included a QR code here. So feel free to scan it because it will bring you to the website and you'll get the PTA interest form and a little brief introduction of what the meeting will be about. So if you're interested, please scan the QR code. And then we also have September 24th is back to school night, and September 30th is Rosh Hashanah, so there is no school. So keep in mind that it changes each month, so don't forget to come and check our website for that. Now I have a frequently asked questions section. I list a few questions that I have received over the years. So if you see something that's not listed, feel free to email me. I will do my best to answer. One of the most frequent questions is, how can I know my child is doing well in school? So I included a little link here that will bring you to our Home Access Center. So if you ever need to check on your kids' grades, I put easy access there for you so you can check the grades whenever you want, such as like the homework grades, quiz grades, test grades, and project grades. So don't forget to check in on that too. Okay, so that was that. So now we have classroom projects. So here are the classroom projects that we are working on. We have the science project, which is the Great Cookie Dunk. And this is one of my favorite projects because it involves cookies. So feel free to read on that and get to know what your kids are doing in class. We are also working on a fiction writing project. So this involves your kids being having imagination and learning how to write. And then we have a quick links section. Here I included a few links that we use in class for our work. So if you ever want to have your kid at home use these, you can as well. And then I have the school website listed. So if you ever need to get to the school website, just click here and it will bring you right to our school website. So if you ever need to get in contact with them, I listed their email, their address, and directions to their school. So thank you for coming to my classroom website, and I am looking forward to the school year.